Hello, I'm Anna, the product manager at ClicData. Are you wasting time copy-pasting data and doing manual exports to build decks and reports over and over again? In this video, you will learn what LiveDocs can do for you and how to use them. LiveDocs enable you to create documents in which live data can be inserted and automatically updated. Start by creating a template document, for instance, a PowerPoint. In the place where live data will be inserted, add a placeholder with double square brackets. Then create a new LiveDoc, upload the template, and define macros to fill the previously set placeholders. And voila! Your LiveDoc is ready to be generated and sent to your users with live data. Now let's see some use cases. Use case 1, quarterly sales forecasting deck. Let's follow Alex, a sales director who needs to share quarterly revenue forecasts with company executives. Alex gets every new deal and contract changes automatically updated from his CRM to ClicData. He prepares a LiveDoc PowerPoint template with placeholders for lead counts, pipeline stages, and forecasted revenue in different slides. Every quarter, the LiveDoc is generated with the latest data and automatically sent to the leadership in a deck format that is ready to be used in meetings. This process frees up time for Alex to focus on strategy and not repetitive report building. Use case 2, monthly marketing performance report. Take Sophie. She's a marketing consultant who delivers monthly performance reports to each of her clients. The performance data is consolidated daily from respective channels into ClicData. Sophie creates a LiveDoc using a PowerPoint template with placeholders for clicks, conversions, budget spend, and social media growth, filtered for each customer using team parameters. Then, on the last day of each month, the LiveDoc is automatically generated and sent to each customer through email. This process helps Sophie save hours of manual reporting every month. Use case 3, monthly invoice status. In this example, Lucas, a finance officer, is looking to generate monthly accounting summaries for his clients. With LiveDocs, Lucas creates an Excel template with placeholders for client name, invoice due dates, overdue amounts, and so on. By the first day of each month, a LiveDoc is generated with the detail of all invoices from the previous months and their status. This is done for each client and sent automatically by email in an Excel format that they can easily work with. This process is significantly cutting down manual repetitive work for Lucas. In summary, LiveDocs let you skip the manual work and instantly generate documents from your data. They are easy to set up and format to your preferences, for instance, your company's brand templates. Now you know everything about LiveDocs, and for more data streaming options, you can check out our data streams video. I hope you liked this video. See you soon in the next one.